This is how to change the bit on the Warrior multi-tool from Harbor Freight. You have a Allen wrench fitting. Get an Allen wrench. This screws in to this and you just loosen it up. So loosen that up, and then this just slides off, and you don't even have to take this completely off, and then this slides back on. There is little bitty screws, little metal stobs that stick up on all four sides, and then this has little grooves that those fit in. So when it slides in, just make sure that those lock down onto those grooves, and then you just tighten this up. Get it as hand tight as possible, and then take your Allen wrench and tighten it up.